Hello everyone, welcome to our show. Let's get started. Have a pan, turn on the heat on a mild flame, and I'm adding oil. Add chopped onions and saute it for a while. Adding little salt, little ing, chili powder, little coriander powder, and little turmeric powder. Just mix it properly. And now I'm going to turn off the gas, and I've taken 4 eggs now, and I'm going to add this in an egg bowl. Mix it completely, and again in the same pan, turn on the heat, put it on a very mild flame, and pour it. Just applying little oil on the sides. And a little bit of pepper powder on top. It's almost 80% cooked, and I'm not going to flip it. Still the upper portion need to be cooked. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to roll it like this very carefully. I took it to a plate, and I'm going to cut it into small pieces like this. And now let's keep this aside. Again in the same tawa, just apply oil. And I've got ginger, garlic, green chili finely chopped, and then onion cut into pieces and split into flakes like this, and then green pepper. First let's add ginger, garlic and green chilies, and saute it for a while. And then add onion and green pepper, and again saute for a while. And now I'm adding little soy sauce, and then hot and sweet sauce. Just saute for a while. And now we can add our omelette. Just place it carefully, don't break it. And now carefully give a gentle mix. Now close it with the lid just for 2 minutes. So it's just been 2 minutes, so I'm taking off the lid, and I'm adding a little bit of coriander leaves, and again just give a gentle, and then I'm turning off the heat. So there's our chili egg omelette, guys. Please give a try, and thanks for watching.